Hello and welcome guys. So as you can see over here, welcome to the video. This is the second withdrawal part of the 22nd of July 2022. So my name is Mohammed Hassan, and without wasting the time, let's move to the video. So this is my trust wallet. As you can see, it is showing up to 0.23 USDT right now into my wallet. I will move to the website. Website name is bigpeanuts.com. My initial deposit 0.0242 and my total withdrawal is 60 USDT, approximately 0.227 for more than my investment, and I recovered almost my investment and I am now in the profit. As you can see the withdrawal button over here, and the card will be open in next 51 seconds. I will just click on the withdraw button over here. This will ask me for the transaction fees. I will just click on the approve and enter my passcode. As I enter my passcode, you can see my initial withdrawal will increase over here from 60 USDT to 61.24 USDT, and I will move to my wallet, and you can see that the initial deposit has been added into my wallet. So that's it for the video. If you also want to join this website, link is in the description. You can join the website easily. If you want any assistance, you can join my WhatsApp group, and I will be assisting you personally. Do like my channel and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.